Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself that I am MD Al-Mahin and I share easy tech tutorials to help you work smarter, stay organized and save time. Today I'm showing you exactly how to use Google Chat in 2025 step by step. Whether you are using for work, school or personal messaging, we will cover how to send messages, create groups, organize chats and a few cool tips you probably did not know. So grab your coffee, hit the like button and let's get started. So first of all, what actually is Google Chat? So Google Chat is a Google's official instant messaging tool that's now built right into Gmail and Google Workspace. It lets you send quick direct messages, create group chats and set up spaces for projects and even integrate with Google Meet, Docs and Calendar all in one places. If it is a free for everyone with a Google account, so you probably already have it. Now let's talk about how you can access Google Chat. Alright, there are two easy ways to use Google Chat. Go to the chat.google.com or in your web browser or open gmail.com. Onto the left side bar, like left right side bar, you will see chat section under the inbox. Like here, let's get to the mail. In here, go to the Gmail and onto the left side bar you can see we have the options for chat also. Like here you will see chat section under the inbox. So under the inbox you will see the chat options. So let's find out what is the chat options. If not, you will find out in here. If not, you will find out, just click over here and you can add the chat add-ons over that place. So it's totally an amazing thing. So you can also download the Google Chat app for Android, iPhone or desktop if you want it as a standalone app. Then you just need to start a direct message. Let's start with a simple direct message. You just need to click to the icon in here, our new chat button. Here you can see this one. Just click this one. Once you click over here, then type the name or email of the person you want to message. So let's say I am going to type an email. This is my friend email at thefreegmail.com, and then I will select this one, and once it's done you will get to see the pop-up if you are in your Google Contacts or your organization. Click their name and boom, your chat window will be open. Just click this one and here you can see that your chat already been open. So this way you can do your things easily. Now let's talk about second one, that click the name, like type your message at the bottom, hit enter, that's it. You can also send emojis, add GIFs or attach files by clicking the icons next to the message box. So here I will say hi, hit the like button, hit the like button if you love this video, and let's say hit, and you can see the message already been sent it. And also if you want to delete any message, you are allowed to delete this message permanently. Just click on delete and it will be permanently deleted from that your place. Now let's talk about to create a group chat. So let's create a group chat for us. You just need to click to the new chat button, again click over here, and there you will find out the options: create a space, browse space, find as, message request. So from that place, this time choose start group conversation or create a space. Once you click over here, you can give a name, the create will be and that nick will be the space name, and just click to the create. Once you click over here, that your space already been created. So here you can add members, add multiple people by typing their names or emails. Once you are done, you just need to click start. Now you have got a group where everyone can see messages, their files or hop on a Google Meet if needed. Let me give you a tip that you can rename your group for easy reference. Click the group name at the top, then click edit and change the name. So first of all, we are going to add a couple of members in here. So first of all, we are going to click on add members, and I already have an existing Gmail here, so I will copy the Gmail so we can suddenly see the result in here, which message will be sent here. So this will be the member of our, just click hi, and then I'll give onto the pool, add in space. Let's add the pool, create a pool. Question will be, did you like our video? Choice one will be the yes, and next one will be the no. You can add more choice if you want to add. Just click to the create, and it already been set. And let's say check our this one, and let's go to the Google Chat starter, and there is no option, so I will go over here, chat Google, let's see, and Google Chat, and here we are going to sign in to see our message in here directly into the Google Chat. So here we did not get any message yet, so here I will click on unread or read. So let's see why it is not coming yet. We just need to find it out the problem. Where is the problem? So let's go to that panel here and click on hi. Did we add perfectly our members in here? We have some confusions here, so we just need to go over here, start chat, and click on this one and start chat. Just click this one and just click to the hi, and let's see, does it really work in other side? Yes, you can see it is working. It start working. So this way you can start all talking and messaging with your friends, your colleagues. Use Space for project, like one of the Google's best chat features in Space. Think of Space like a chat room mixed with Project Hub. To create a space, click the new space button in the sidebar and give it a name we already created. Now you know how you can create an space on Google Chat, and you can see it is working in here also. Then here you can give or share the GIF, then you can add workspace tools also, like you can add as drive files, you can send mail link also. Now let's talk about adding tasks and files. Inside any chat or space, you can share files from your computer or Google Drive. You just need to click to the attach. I already mentioned, just click over here icon, pick your files, and then everyone in the chat or space can open it instantly. To add a task in a space, click the tasks tab like this one in space. Here you just need to click over here and you can add your file through these options. So let's talk about the notification and setting. Inside any chat of space, you can share files from your computer, and to manage your notification, click the setting gear in the top right of your chat window or space. So here you can see this is the gear. You just need to click over here, and from the notification you can see the notification. You can choose to get all notifications only mentions when someone tags you, or turn them off if you don't want to be disturbed. You can also set do not disturb if you are in focus mode. Just click your profile icon, then set a custom time. If you use Google Chat inside Gmail, you can drag and thin conversation to keep your most important chat easy to find. And let me give you the last step, that is start a video call instantly. On last bonus, Google Chat connects seamlessly with Google Meet. In any chat or space, click this small Meet icon to the chat, start a video call right away. This is perfect for when messaging is not enough and you need to jump on a quick face-to-face chat. No extra app needed, it's all built in your Google account. And that's it for today. I hope you understand how you can use Google Chat options. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video.